how to create a Wix real estate website. So what we want to do is load up Wix here. I'm on the websites page and I'm just going to click on create new site. Now I'll show you how we can do this from scratch. So just click on create on Wix editor. I personally suggest using Wix editor instead of Wix Studio at this point at least. So click on setup without chat. AI can help you, but I'll show you how we can do it completely from scratch. So here, search for your business or site type. So we are going to search for what type of website were we making. So we were making a real estate website. So I'm just going to search for real estate and we'll have real estate landing page, development company, real estate agency. So I will do real estate agency and I'm going to click on continue. Okay, so this is going to begin setting up the dashboard and we'll need to go through some steps like setting up a website name, choosing which applications we will have. So what's the name of your business? I'll do Net Real Estate. What is your business address? Here we can add a specific address for our real estate website. I'm just going to click on continue. If you want to skip any of these steps here, so you can just click on skip next to continue. So which working hours? We have to set the working hours here for as well as the time zone. So I'll just leave it as it is and I'm going to click on continue. Obviously you customize this to your needs and start adding services. So what type of services do we want to add to our real estate agency in Wix? So I'll just tick all of these options here. So property viewings, listings, property management, property financing, valuation, development, and we can also create new services. I'm going to click on next. Staff members. So if you have multiple staff members, we will add their names here as well as their email. It's optional, but we can add them and we can also add new staff members like so. For now, I will skip this step and here's what we want to do. So we can offer virtual sessions, online payments, we can accept online payments, send automated emails, sync personal Google, Apple Calendar, and manage services and bookings on the go. So I'll check both of the or all of these options here for the tools and I'm going to click on continue and we can now continue to the dashboard. Now, once this once we have gone through this, that was the first step. Now we will need to choose our website design. So click on design site right here at the top. We will pick a template. We won't use AI. So I'm going to pick a template and this is going to immediately give us some best matches for our real estate website. So if we have a real estate firm, as you can see, this looks very clean here. We can use this design. We can use whichever one we want. So real estate firm, I personally like this one a lot. So Dwell Properties, just choose a design from here and click on edit. Now, once we click on edit, this is going to begin creating our website, which might take a little bit of time because it's going to add all of the different applications which we have selected previously in the previous screen. So just give it some time here to set up your Wix website and I'll show you how we can proceed. So this is going to be the initial view of the website, but it's going to begin adding, like I said, the applications, the different applications. So currently it's adding Wix bookings. I'll pause and come back in a second once this is done setting up. Okay, so it's done setting up. So the first thing that I'm going to do is zoom in 100%. So just click on the 50% sign here. And it looks like this. So what can we do? We can change everything. So here we can change the name. So I'll do Net Properties. Leave it like this. You will see we have the social bar here, which we can customize by just clicking on it and setting the social links. Here we can connect our own links by clicking on this button here and typing out our Facebook address. It's super easy to set this up. Now, what can we also do? We can add different elements here. So if we go to image, we can upload images of the properties which we are selling. What else can we do here? The app market. We can view all of the different apps which we can add. So here you will see this application, real estate, manage and display your listings. So if we add this application here to our website, then we can immediately display and show all of the different real estate properties which we have for sale or for rent, and you will basically customize this website to your needs. So you can see here we have a buy section and rent section. So you will customize this website to your needs, and that's the base of how you can create a real estate website on Wix. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.